Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's begin with localizing the app which is called iManager. It looks like it, and for sure you've got one because it is pre-installed by the developer. So just find it and tap on it. Here we've got different options, but I want to focus on security scan. Just tap on it, and now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of viruses or malware, and after that it will show you the results. As you can see, everything is alright in my case. However, if the device will find any kind of viruses, any kind of problems, it will show you relevant information and also some steps that you can take in order to get rid of the risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.